Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to build an affiliate autoresponder sequence without burning the list. Alright, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing since the last 2 years, and on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning about internet marketing or affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what's the secret of earning full-time affiliate income with email marketing? It starts with the perfect email autoresponder sequence. With an autoresponder, you get to contact the subscribers multiple times about an affiliate offer. The best part is set it and forget it solution. All you have to do is to create a sequence one time and it will make money for you years to come. Now, an autoresponder sequence shouldn't be used to bombard a list with over after over. Instead, it's important to strike that healthy balance between providing value and promoting the product. So what's funny is many affiliate marketers understand the importance of email, but they struggle with how to create an autoresponder sequence. They have questions like how to balance multiple affiliate offers, what type of email to send, how many messages should be included in the sequence, when to send a sales email, and when to deliver the content. This video is going to answer all these questions. By the time you finish this video, you will know how to build a successful affiliate autoresponder sequence. So let's get to it. Build an autoresponder sequence that blends aggressiveness with a whole lot of quality content. You still do marketing to a list, but you're doing it in a way that focuses on helping the subscribers. In fact, 80% of your email should provide a valuable content, with the remainder recommending the product of your affiliate. So let's learn how to do this. The foundation of an autoresponder campaign. A responsive autoresponder campaign is built on a solid foundation. This means you need to do 3 things before sending a single email. First, select the right affiliate products. Well, this video is not about affiliate product selection, so I will just keep it brief. To start, I recommend finding 5 to 7 affiliate products to promote. Each should solve a specific problem in your market. Just take a look at the biggest obstacles people have and find products that overcome them. To illustrate, let's use the fitness examples. If you were marketing in this niche, you want to find the products that help people learn how to get six-pack abs, what equipment to use in your home, specific exercise that help build muscle, and what types of foods are best to eat, or how to drop 10 pounds for the summer, or how to develop a lifelong fitness. So these are just a few examples of the fitness needs. If you spend a day doing research, you probably find dozens of problems that people have in this niche. Simply find a product that solves each problem and you will have the first building block of your autoresponder sequence. Second, track each email. I can't overemphasize the importance of tracking every single email. First, you need to track the open and click-through rate of each email. This is something that's handled in email marketing program like Aweber or GetResponse. And these programs give you a nice statistical breakdown of how each message performs. Next, you will want to insert a tracking ID for the affiliate links in your email. Again, this information helps you to measure the performance of each messages. Creating a tracking ID can be easily done through most of the affiliate programs. As an example, in ClickBank, you can insert a tracking ID in every link. This identifier will be automatically included in your analytics section of your affiliate account. Tracking each affiliate link is super important. It's the only way to know what's actually working with your marketing campaign. Third, create an autoresponder publishing schedule. Developing a publishing schedule is the final building block of a solid autoresponder sequence. This tool is the ultimate way to manage the effectiveness of your email campaigns. A publishing schedule doesn't have to be complex. Simply open up a spreadsheet and include a column for each of these following: the title of the autoresponder, the interval numbers, so days since the last message, then what product is promoted, and the type of email, and the affiliate tracking ID, and any notes you have about this email. Don't worry if you're confused by some of this information. All will be revealed by the end of this video. To illustrate what a publishing schedule looks like, here is the mockup using the fitness example from before. Autoresponder sequence publishing schedule. This is a very low-tech approach to an autoresponder sequence, but it's still extremely effective because it allows you to manage email without having to open multiple files and websites. Now let's talk about how to set up an autoresponder sequence. My advice is to pick 5 or more products to promote. Each will tightly focus on different problem or topic in your niche. Also, make sure each product doesn't directly compete with one another. So if one product talks about how to develop six-pack app, so then you shouldn't include another six-pack app product. This will only just piss off people because you're giving conflicting information. Finally, there should be 2 to 4 days between each message. Test this on your own and see what works best with your market. Some will respond to a high volume of email, while others, maybe you won't like getting a lot of emails. Use an autoresponder mini launch sequence. Product launch are now common practice. We have all been, on the list where there is a huge build-up to a new course that's about to hit to the market. That's science to a product launch sequence. By the stringing together a series of emails focusing on a single product, you build excitement and anticipation. Done correctly, this sequence will make people want to buy before you have ever seen the sales page. The reason marketers use the product launch is because they work. With a blend of content and salesmanship, these techniques eliminate all objection that people have about a particular course. The good news, you can take these fundamentals of the product launch and apply to your autoresponder sequence. What you do here is string together email messages that talk about the product A, and this repeated exposure will show the value of this course and give a subtle push to make subscribers buy it. Then once the sequence is completed for product A, you move on to a sequence for product B. This is what I call autoresponder mini launch sequence. To start, I recommend using 3 to 5 emails for each product. This is the sweet spot between aggressive promotion and giving quality information to the list. So 5 types of autoresponder message. My autoresponder sequence has 5 types of emails. This will follow a set pattern that built on the content of how the previous message. First, personality email. With this email, you relate a topic to an event or experience in your life. It doesn't require a lot of content, and the important thing is you tell the story about the problem and casually point out that the reader might have a similar experience. At the end, you can put the PS note at the bottom of the email, briefly mention a product that's related to this message. Just introduce it and provide a simple link, and then that's it. Second, value email. This is the workhorse of your autoresponder sequence. With this message, you give away a great piece of content that partially helps subscribers with the problem. This could be a lengthy email, a PDF, audio, webinar, or even video. As an example, I could easily take this blog post and turn it into a value email. With the value email, you want to talk about the same product you mentioned in the last message. The only difference is you're now providing a few examples of how it helped you solve the problem. Talk about how it helps you, but make sure that the reader is primarily getting a great content. Third, product email. With this email, you'll change the tempo a little bit. You've already introduced this product. Now you allow the product creator to demonstrate his or her knowledge about the product. Most affiliate programs have articles or videos or free reports which give additional value while pre-selling the product. Simply just include a link to the content, and many subscribers will make an affiliate purchase simply because they get a demonstration of what being offered. Fourth, sales email. Here is where you seal the deal. The last 3 messages introduce the product while also picking up a few affiliates' commission. With this email, you will make an aggressive push to buy the product. The style of this email really depends on your preference. You can be super aggressive, or you can send a laid-back message that simply describes how the product has helped you. The key here is only include link to the page where subscribers can make a purchasing decision. And the last, 5th, is follow-up email. This message is completely optional. If you're getting a lot of sales from a particular product, then you might want to send a last chance reminder email. Alright, so in this video, you have learned how to build an affiliate autoresponder sequence without burning your list. So if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link in the description below. And if you find the information in this video is helpful to you, please just like this video. It will help the YouTube algorithm a little bit. And if you have any question, you can also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please watch my other 2 videos here. This video will help you to learn more about affiliate marketing. And you have a lovely day. I'll see you in the next video.